Hi everyone, my name is Chris O'Neill from Sew the Distance. I'm so glad you're here for Jenny's Countdown to Christmas, day 13. I hope you're having a wonderful weekend, and I can't wait to get started opening up day 13 because I have no clue what it is. Oh, and we're halfway there. Can you believe it? I can't even believe it. All right, here it is. Yesterday, if you remember, as I was opening it, the sticker came up. Not as I was opening it, as I was guessing it, the sticker came up. So I did tape it. So it is taped, but it's still kind of coming up a little bit. There we go. But I didn't peek. I didn't peek. You saw it live. Well, live to tape or whatever. Tape to live, whatever. Okay, here we go. I wonder what it is. Okay, let's see. There are these thingies. What else? I can't get this out either, like the charcuterie board or sharky board. Okay, there we go. Oh, I know what these are. We used to use tape measures for this. Okay, it's a snappy pouch. Do you remember using tape measures? That's what these are. They're like the snappy things for in these little pouchy things. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, I don't have a pattern for them. I made them years and years ago. And of course I used tape measures. I think we got them at the Dollar Tree or something. But it's cool that they have a product. They're calling them snap bands. I'm gonna open them. Oh, they're like stuck together. Wonder if they're like the snap bracelets. Remember those? They kind of are. Do you remember those? Am I showing my age? Yes, that's what they are. Well, that's cool. You could use snap bracelets if you could find them. But these work. All right, all right. Wonder, are they magnets too? All right, I'm gonna have to play with these. I might actually make this pouch. This is really cute. It's made with fat quarters. It's really cute. All right, I like this item. This is gonna get people out of their comfort zone, including myself, because I've never used these exactly. Very cool. All right. I like it. I like it. And I'm going to make one. I hope. Maybe. Hopefully for tomorrow you'll see it. I don't think it'll take that long. And you know, all the chores I have to do for the holidays, that's okay, right? Time's flying and I have so much to do. But you know, I'm going to sit and make a pouch. All right, let's talk about yesterday's item, which is this pouch. And I stuffed it. On the tag, it said you could put your clapper. Now, I don't have the clapper that we got last year. I re-gifted that. But I do have my regular clapper that's here. And it fits beautifully. I also put some rotary cutters. Can you see? It holds a lot. There's plenty of room. And on the other side, I put some other stuff. Some pens and some scissors and all kinds of stuff. So this is wonderful. I love this. This is a really wonderful pouch. I can just see it for quilting classes or for retreats. You can even leave it packed if you have doubles of things and not even have to worry about packing it, which is really nice. Very nice, very sturdy, heavy duty. So I'm putting the price at $15 on this. I saw a few others online that were more, a few others that were less. I would pay $15, and that's kind of where I'm landing with this stuff because it's so hard to tell. Yes, there's stuff on eBay. Absolutely. People buy the box, they break up the box, they sell the stuff on eBay. But because it's a premium item, is that a true value? I don't know. And you know, a lot of this stuff will come out later for Missouri Star. They'll put it on their websites or something similar. So it gives us a better idea. So I go back and forth with using, like, even for the wrapping paper, for the prices online. I don't know. So I'm going with my best guess, and it's going to keep me sane too. So I'm saying 15. That's what I would pay for this. I think it's a really great product. And yeah, I love it. All right. So that brings our total, by the way. We finally are in the black, like I said yesterday. So our running total is $211.50, which makes us $11.55 to the good. Now, some people were asking why I'm doing this. One of the reasons, other than making sure that I'm sleeping well at night, making sure that I didn't overspend on something, for these items is also so you can justify buying it or having it as a gift from a spouse or someone in your life. You can say, look, the value's there. I really want it. So that's another reason that I like to put that out there. Just about 2 cents on that. All right, so Chuck the duck count, nothing's changed. We're the same. My personal duck count is 34. Yours might be different because the bags I think are from one sheet of paper that they cut them up to make the bags. So yours may be different, but mine is 34. That's what my personal duck count is. I would love to know your personal duck count. You can put it below in the comments. Love to hear it. Okay, we're gonna guess for day 14. So this is your warning. I'm gonna lift it up. It does make some noise. So warning, warning, warning before I even touch it. I'm lifting it up. Okay, here it is. It's jingly. What is it? It's squishy and jingly. Could be some jewelry. That would be nice. Pins, needles, maybe. I'm not sure what this is, but I am so curious. I love it. Okay, I can't wait. I cannot wait to see. Oh my goodness. Yay! As always, I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you take some time to sew, and I will see you tomorrow when we open day 13's item. And no, day 14's item. Today was day 13. Okay, I swear I wasn't hitting the eggnog. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.